Welcome, Pinterest users. Are you having trouble downloading files on Pinterest after the latest update? It can be frustrating when you can't save those inspiring images and videos to your computer. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through some simple steps to fix this issue and get you back to downloading your favorite content in no time. First things first, let's try refreshing the Pinterest webpage. Look for the refresh icon, usually located at the top left of your browser. Give it a click. This simple action can often resolve minor glitches and get things working smoothly again. If refreshing doesn't do the trick, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for downloading files. Go to the notifications area on your computer and click on the network icon. Make sure you're connected to your network and that everything is working as it should be. If you spot any problems, try troubleshooting your network connection. Still no luck? Okay, let's move on to the next step. Closing and reopening your browser. Sometimes, simply restarting your browser can clear up any temporary issues that might be preventing downloads. Close your browser completely, wait a few seconds, and then reopen it. If the problem persists, it might be time to restart your device. Restarting your computer can often resolve more stubborn issues by clearing out temporary files and processes. Press the Windows icon, then click on the power icon. Select Shutdown, and wait for about 30 seconds before turning your computer back on by pressing the power button. Now, let's explore some additional solutions if you're still facing download problems. One potential fix involves clearing the Pinterest app's cache and data. To do this, long hold the Pinterest application, then tap App Info, then Storage and Cache, and then Clear Cache. If that doesn't work, you can also try clearing the app's storage, but remember that doing so will log you out of your account, so you'll need to log back in. Sometimes, the issue might be related to the specific image you're trying to download. It's possible that the owner of the image has disabled the download option. Try downloading a different image to see if the problem persists. If none of these steps have worked, a fresh installation of the Pinterest app might be necessary. Uninstall the app from your computer, then head to the Microsoft Store to download and install the latest version. I hope these steps help you resolve the issue of not being able to download files from Pinterest. With a little troubleshooting, you should be back to saving your favorite pins in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.